guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing now is I'm just hydrating my face, and I'm actually putting on a hydrating primer because my face gets dry. It's like wintertime, so yeah. Okay, so here I'm just rubbing in the primer. You guys don't actually have to do this, but since my skin is so dry, it doesn't matter what I do. I have to put something on my face to moisturize. This isn't what you have to necessarily do again to do your eyebrows, but that's just a step that I take. And then next I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. I'm just going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush, and it's number 12. So it has this cute little part here, and then it has the spoolie. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is just brush out my eyebrows, and I'm just doing that so that I can line out my eyebrows the way that I need them to go. And then once I do that, I'm going to start at the bottom and then outline the bottom. Okay, so here I'm going to start to outline the top, and as you can see, I don't start right at the beginning. I start a little bit before, so that way I won't get the boxy look in the front. I really don't like it. I just like it to look natural in the beginning. Okay, now I'm starting to fill in the brow. I start at the end because that's where it's the most scarce. Oh my god, I have no eyebrows right there. And I'm doing short strokes. I'm not just dragging it across the eyebrow. I don't want it to look too dark. I want it to look a little bit more natural. Okay, so here I'm starting at the beginning. I'm not adding any more product to the brush. I'm just using the leftover product, and I just wanted to get in the beginning a little bit so then that way it won't look too different from the rest of the eyebrow. And I'm just blending it in with the spoolie. Pro Concealer, these two, so the color Light Ivory and then the color Fawn. I mix those two together. So I take these two and I mix them together with my angled brush. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm outlining the eyebrow with the concealer. I'm using the same concealer that I just mixed. If you want a lighter or a more illuminating brow, you would want to use a lighter color on the top of your brow, not at the bottom. I did that one. I'm going to go in with my brush, a concealer brush. It's really soft. I love this brush. I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna kind of clean this up, you know. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notified when I make new videos. Also, don't forget to comment down below and tell me what new videos you would like to see.